Hello, my name's Caleb. I'm from Georgia, and I've been a mall railroad since I can remember. I was introduced to Blunami back in early this year in February by George, but tip advice on through CVs. I had troubles with the regular Tsunami, so he suggested to me, "Hey, try Blunami for change." Once I acquired a decoder for it, and put on this engine right here, the 290, it's a game changer. The decoder has a lot of feature and easy for modelers that don't know how to do CVs or easily concepts on the fly. I've been to Model Train Show recently through my Model Train Club and show off the Blunami products, and they're blown away by it. And there's a lot of eye-raising eyebrows to the product. So it's a future product that's hopefully to last for more than 30 years. So hopefully more can be introduced into the decoder, and right now this decoder and app are fantastic. If you have any tips or anything, George and his gang can always provide you tips. So I just want to say thanks to SoundTraxx for providing this decoder, and it helps my model railroad know how to become realistic to these days. Now, at the meantime, let's go run some trains. All aboard.